To insert a SIM card in OnePlus Nord 5, first of all, you will need to open a SIM slot, which is located on the bottom side of your phone right here. And you can use something like SIM ejection tool that I have to open it. Now, when we have our SIM slot removed, we can take it and then grab our SIM card, pick whichever slot you like. There's 2 slots for your SIM card, you can put even 2, and then align it with the cutout in the bottom left corner that you can see, like so. And now all we have to do is just insert that SIM card into our device. So we have our SIM card inserted, and the next step would be to insert a pin for your card right after you unlock your phone. So in a moment we should get a prompt for the SIM card, but in this case I forgot. On this one I think I don't have any SIM pin. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.